good, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, I'm answering a question that I have had for a while since I had one. Can I beat Bonelab with only a rifle? Now, this seems like a weird question, but I mean, ever since I got Bonelab, I've been having so much fun, and I kind of want to play through it again. So, let's see if I can basically beat most of Bonelab with only a rifle. And yes, I will have to be using the ammo gun, because, yeah, how am I supposed to get more ammo? But yeah, let's get straight into this video! We're poly. Yeah, confirm. Oh, I'm for! Okay, give me this. Let me change back to Fantasy Ford. And second of all, I need to grab my dev gun so I can get my rifle. Weapon gun. No, rifle. There it is. Got my gun, and I will have to get my ammo can just so I can do it. That should be enough. Oh, yep. Let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna climb it, actually. I'm gonna climb it. Okay, yeah, no. Okay, wait, what if I just shoot everybody with it? Great, they're invincible. Wait, what? Wait, no, put it back on. Wait, what? What? What just happened? Okay, yeah, give me the light. I don't even know what just happened, bro. Okay, yeah. Let's see. So it's just an introduction to the inventory. Yep. Rules, we got rules. Don't really need this. Let's make sure we're all loaded up. Can I walk? Okay, there we go. I'm scared, guys, I'm scared. Oh, that one mining part is gonna be real fun, honestly. It's a null rat! Hi, buddy. Okay, yeah, let's keep on going. Most American playthrough of Bonelab. I'm gonna be constantly reloading, honestly. Oh, gotcha. Huzzah! Okay, let's probably go into here. Okay, we're here. Table. Give me the table. Okay. I actually don't know Bonelab or that well. I don't feel like reading. I'm gonna get you out of here. Okay, give me this. Key! Open! Bang. Oh crap, this guy! So we got the clubbed bat. We don't want this though. What is this? Morning Star? And we don't need that. We got an AK. More! of gotchas in there because I got them all. Can I climb this? Oh crap. Okay, I think I'm fine.
Al here was causing a lot of trouble over in Fantasyland. Good thing I showed up, right?
Who's lava gang? Oh, hey, soda.
In maintaining tidiness, not only for our guests, but for our workers.
It's Apollo! Okay, Apollo. What's this? Ah, my hand! My hand! Okay. Card. Why do you look like he's from an anime? Okay. Let me put this in here. I feel like I'm gonna need Scary. Crablets. Crowbar! It's my favorite weapon, but I can't use it! It's part of the challenge. I love the crowbar, honestly. Don't I already have it unlocked? Hey, gun! Get that out of here. Might as well get this ammo. Move. There. Alright, let's make it to here.
It may look peaceful out here, but it isn't. There's something hostile out there.
Stupid crablet. Bro! The crablets are just attacking everybody.
The next transit arrival is expected at PM. Thank you for your patience.
Move! Alright, well, this is gonna be it for the first video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna be making a part 2 to this video because I actually want to figure out if you can beat Bonelab. So yeah. Should I buy into the rifle for right now? Hopefully I get this posted soon enough, but yeah. See y'all in the next video.